3 months ago, she sat in the back of the class. Today, she speaks before anyone else. They listen. No one says, "Too quick" anymore. But that was not always true. The first time it happened, she smiled and nodded. The teacher asked a question. Students answered fast. Words flew across the room. She caught nothing. Not one full sentence. Her heart beat hard. Her hands felt cold. She tried to translate in her head. Too slow. Always too slow. Someone next to her whispered, "It's easy." She laughed softly. Pretended. But inside, her mind was blank. Empty. The teacher looked at her. "Do you agree?" Silence. Her face burned. I don't understand," she said. The class moved on. But that was not the worst part. The worst part was later. On the bus. She replayed the moment again and again. Why is it so fast? Why can everyone understand? Maybe I am just bad at this. Again. The next week, it happened in a cafe. A tourist asked her something in English. She heard only noise.
Fast noise.
"Sorry," she said. He repeated it. Still fast. She smiled. Nodded. Pointed randomly at the menu. Wrong order. He looked confused. She wanted to disappear. That night, she lay in bed and stared at the ceiling. Maybe English is not for me. Maybe my brain is slow. The thought stayed. Heavy. But something small happened the next morning. Something strange. She stopped trying to understand everything. Instead, she chose one thing. Just one. She picked short videos. Very short. 10 seconds. She listened. Did not pause. Did not translate. Just listened. Again. And again. And again. It felt silly. Like doing nothing. Like wasting time. She didn't know this would change everything. Week 1. She still understood almost nothing. But she stopped panicking. That was new. Her heart did not race as fast. Still fast. But less. She noticed small sounds. Common words.
Oh.
Really? Wait. Tiny pieces. Still. In class, it was still hard. Students still answered quickly. She still stayed quiet. But she did not hate herself as much. That was different. Week 2. She added something new. She started speaking with the video. At the same speed. Even when she did not understand. It sounded messy. Broken. Too quick. But she kept going. Her mouth felt tired. Her tongue felt heavy. But she kept copying the rhythm. Not the meaning. The rhythm. And this is where everything shifted. One afternoon, she watched a clip she had watched before. This time, she caught a full sentence. Not every word. But the idea. Clear. She paused the video. Her eyes widened. Wait, I understood that. She felt happy. Then scared. What if it was luck? What if tomorrow she understands nothing again? The fear surprised her. She was afraid of hope. Strange. Month 1. Something changed in her body. Fast English still sounded fast. But not scary. Her brain stopped fighting it. She stopped chasing every word. She listened for meaning. For tone. For feeling. In class, she tried something new. When she did not understand, she did not freeze. She said, "Can you say that again, please?" Her voice shook. But she said it. The teacher repeated. Slower. She understood more. Not perfect. But more. Still, there were bad days. Days when everything felt too quick again. Days when she wanted to quit. But she remembered the first week. How even panic had improved. So she continued. Short videos. Shadowing. Listening without fear. Again. And again. Then came the second test. Another cafe. Another tourist. Another fast question. Her heart jumped. For a second, the old fear came back. Too quick. Too fast. But this time, she did not smile and pretend. She listened. Did not translate. Just listened. She caught 2 words. Bus station. And near. She answered slowly. Yes. Near the bank. Her voice was calm. Not loud. Not perfect, but steady. The tourist nodded. Thank you. She walked away. Her hands were warm this time. She almost laughed. It was the same situation. But she was not the same person. 3 months ago, she sat in silence. Now, she raises her hand. Sometimes she still misses words. Sometimes she still says, sorry, but she does not feel small. She does not feel stupid. She feels normal.
And that is enough.
She learned something simple. Understanding did not come first. Speaking came first. Confidence did not come first. Action came first. Fear did not disappear before she spoke. It shrank after.
Slowly.
Quietly. Because silence grows when you protect it. And fear grows when you feed it. But courage? Courage grows when you look foolish for a while. So now, when English sounds too quick, she does not run.
She leans in.
She listens.
She speaks.
Even if her voice shakes. Even if it is not perfect. And now I want to ask you something. When English feels too fast, when your mind goes blank, when your heart beats loud, will you stay silent? Or will you look foolish for 3 months? Because the class will move on either way. The world will keep speaking.
Fast.
The only question is, will you?